Welcome to Astro5s.com. Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Sun in 12th house. About Sun. Rules Leo. Exaltation Aries. Detriment Aquarius. Fall Libra. Responsible. Eyes. Soul. Government. Father. GIF Shield of Helios, or Circle of Infinity. Represents power urge, personality, ego. Anatomy: the heart, upper back, spleen, circulatory system, the sperm, right eye of male, left eye of female. Keyword: inner self. General: the main expression of the individual. It shows the qualities of leadership and success. And it represents the masculine principle, the husband, father, men. Sun: it rules health, vital principles, and authority and bosses, title, high office, rank, progress, energy, dignity, sense of identity and capacity for experience. So its action is fortifying, vitalizing. The Sun in your chart is the life and heart of the chart. It is where you want to shine in life. 12th house, it means mental health. It shows the state of your mind. Limitations, frustration, hidden strength, subconscious mind. Natural sign is Pisces. Natural ruler is Neptune. Keyword is subconscious. 12th house is a house of endings and water. Quality is cadent house. General. The 12th house reveals your unknown or potential strengths and weaknesses. This house shows suffering, restraint, disability, secrecy, seclusion, frustration and action behind the scenes. And it identifies places of imprisonment, prisons, hospitals, psychiatric institutions, etc., and restraint, inhibition, exile, secret enemies, potential dangers, self-disturbing issues and secrets. Honey. This house shows the things we hide from others. Research, foundation, subjective maintenance, inner consciousness, subconscious mind, spiritual debts to pay, karma, but also charity, sympathy and public welfare. It's often called the horoscope's wardrobe or trash bin because here we sweep away or hide too painful problems to face or difficulties we refuse to admit. Sun in the 12th house, keyword is secretive. Although you may lack confidence and need a lot of loneliness, you can integrate the subconscious part of your nature. Your life before the age of 30 may be limited. Your Sun at the 12th house in your birth chart means a great deal of your life is spent working behind the scenes. Some types of work in organizations, charities, labor or research appeal to you, although you often prefer to work behind the scenes. This is often the location for actors, as actors can hide their true feelings by playing a role. You are able to overcome all difficulties entirely through your own efforts, although you can benefit from the philanthropy of others at times of need. You seem to be constantly forced into situations where you have to handle everything on your own and can sometimes feel overwhelmed by the forces. This separation may be because your father was forced to leave the family, or perhaps he was unwell, or simply the type of person who lacked the strength to face his parents' obligations. In some cases, maybe your father may have died when you were young, leaving a sense of loss. Although you may find it difficult, the last moments of quiet reflection will prove to heal all emotional pain. You may even discover a feeling of deep connection with the psychic world. You were born right after sunrise and the power of the sun was very strong during the first hours of the day. You have a lot of potential, but may not be sure exactly how to express yourself, especially at a young age. The sun had just emerged from its rear. When the sun rises, there is a freshness and newness to the solar energy, expressing itself with innocence, but with great strength. When you try to discover and express your identity, you tend to promote your ego when you are young, but because you are uncertain about yourself and inexperienced, it can take some time for you develop real sense of self. Many of these conflicts will disappear as your consciousness grows and matures. You will begin to understand yourself more fully and discover ways to regulate yourself, give others selflessly and make connections with the wider world, all important to your health. Your overall health. If there are difficult aspects, you may be your own worst enemy. You must learn to serve and not to immerse yourself in self-pity. This position is more dependent on the total of horoscopes than any other sun position. Thank you for watching my video. Which house is your sun position? Want to get a free natal horoscope? Please tell me. Thank you so much.